our room in Okre Hotel, Sigiriya. તારું બીજું લીધું.
So check whether the photos are okay.
It's a video.
The king was not able to find out body relics of the Buddha. So the king was able to find out the belt used by the Buddha. So the belt was enshrined as a relic of the Buddha and people started worshipping this.
Okay.
That's how the stupas were built in Sri Lanka to protect the relics of body relics of the Buddha as well as the items used by the Buddha as a relic.
Okay.
Small pond was built and then gradually the monks community was growing.
Requirement increasing.
Yeah. And they wanted another big pond. So even though these are called twin ponds, they are not same. Not ideal.
Yeah.
The small.
Chronological order first and then second.
Yeah. Still they are called twin ponds.
Twin ponds.
They were, I mean, the climax or the prime time is considered the 4th century AD. So the estimation is by 4th century, 5th century, these might have been built for the use of monks, for bathing and washing. And also these were also dilapidated. These were restored recently after Anuradhapura was developed to a World Heritage City. We have that cobra sign. Cobra is a symbol for water, watery bodies. Now I was telling you we have the great chronicle Mahavansa. Even before that, in Sri Lanka, 4 tribes had been living. Naga, Raksha, Yaksha and Deva. Nagas were the mariners. They were working closely with water. So even today, when there is a watery body, a river, canal, reservoir, we have this symbol, Naga. And Devas were the ruling class. And Rakshas and Yakshas were the hard-working tribe from the society. And this is a natural water purification plant. And during the rainy season, of course, water level goes up. And when there is no water, water is sent through the tunnel there. And then first drainage is filled, mud deposit, pure water goes up. And if you have mud remaining, they stay. Pure water goes in. And when the water is polluted inside the pond, there had been a washout from the bottom. It is removed and then water flows outside the reservoir, river down there. And this is the now we are in the lowest point of the monastery area. We started from the tank there. Now we are in the lowest point.
So water
from
will
there,
come.
water goes there. Okay. Then the tree, cannonball tree. Cannonball.
પાણીનું એક પોન્ડ છે અહીંયા ઉપર. આખું એક ગ્રુપ બેલ્જિયમ વાળા બધા આવેલા છે ધોળિયા. વાતાવરણ બહુ સરસ છે, વરસાદ નથી અને તાપ પણ નથી. ભગવાનની મહેરબાની. મૃત્યુંજય જેવું કહેવાય, લગભગ ગિરનાર જેવું નહીં. Into your country, Belgium, in 2014.
Okay. Like it?
Very much. Very, very good. Very nice place. અડધે પહોંચે. ગિરનાર જેવું છે પણ ચોખ્ખું ઘણું છે અને આવા દાદર છે બધા લોકો વચ્ચે વચ્ચે, એટલે ચડવું થોડું સહેલું થઈ જાય, ગોળ ગોળ ફરવું ન પડે. સિગિરિયાનો મોટો પથરો. આવી આખી કેનાલ છે આના ફરતે સિગિરિયાની. આખું સ્ટ્રક્ચર આવી ઈંટોમાંથી બનાવેલું છે, નાની નાની ઈંટ છે બધી. રાવણ કુંડ. આ સિગિરિયા એવું કહેવાય છે કે રાવણે બનાવ્યું. આ કૂતરાને મેં ઓરેન્જ ચોક ટ્રોફી આપી. પહેલા એને ખાતા ન આવડ્યું, પછી એને ખાધું. આ જગ્યા રાવણે બનાવી હતી એવું કહેવાય છે, પણ એનું કોઈ પ્રૂફ નથી, હિસ્ટોરિકલ એવિડન્સ નથી અહીંયા કોઈ જાતના, પણ એવું કહેવાય છે કે આ ભાગ રાવણે બનાવ્યો હતો. In
This Goa, in Goa and in Visakhapatnam. Oh,
South India.
huh.
So we never been any country. Okay.
Huh.
This is coffee Arabica. So we have coffee.
She
but
is
people
botany teacher, so she knows botanical name also.
Like I don't know this medicinal plant so well.
Coffee we have, madam, but people here we don't like to drink the coffee in Sri Lankans.
Oh,
With the climate, not warm country, me or our resident, anyone here, when we had a coffee, metabolism change, constipation.
Okay.
So that but here we like it from the Ayurveda always, morning, tea with ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, drop of vanilla always, which time? Always in the morning, empty stomach.
Oh,
Hmm.
vanilla also.
Yeah, because then we don't want the sugar. It's important for what protect the diabetic.
Ah.
It prevents the patients.
Oh.
So when we had in the morning what enter to the body to wake up, whatever remain in the store, cleaning the toe system,
Okay.
then only hungry come. So that the British, when they stay in Sri Lanka, they mentioned that breakfast like a prince, lunch like a king, dinner like a... Because if we had a good breakfast only, we have energy to anything to do in ourselves. If we never go to the washroom, if we never take anything, always the tension of the patients. So that in Ayurveda, number one, metabolism.
Metabolism.
Number two, when the smell we like anything. That right, healing system. Number three, top to down the blood need to feed the blood flow, no pain, no cramp, so that the people massage.
Massage.
So Vata, Pitta, Kapha. So those three will, the people will get the problem, the metabolism wrong. That's
Yeah.
what we like doing the tea with the spice. Clearly? It's cool. Touch and see. Touch. Touch and see. You see after the cream. That's important. Even me, I like, you know what? As me, you are me, razor.
Yeah, yeah.
Get that. So we need something. They
Some
don't know
smoke.
why the ladies are so. They have put some cream by always to keep the face attraction.
Correct.
Same the gents, we need something extra.
જો બાબુ વપરાતું લાગે છે બધા સેલ્ફી વિડીયો small
They are called
Elchi.
down. How to pronounce your language?
elchi ilaichi
Menthol. That's what people use for tea and advice. Menthol. So that's what here we cook. Those are the main mixer of the tea in the morning. Why? Such a people do have halitos, bad smell from there. Everything from the store.
yeah
That's what we like to drink the tea.
This
with
is Taj.
yeah, cinnamon.
Cinema. જો છે ને આ તાજપત્તા
તાજ
આપણે
પત્તા.
નાખીએ ને ઓલા પુલાવ ને
So that's all I can show the plants, trees and
Okay.
everything. Really big, huh?
Very
it's not
big.
me, I'm only guide. So now we'll go the demonstration.
okay
Treatment of Ayurveda. This is madam, your cup, huh? So this is the tea just now you drank in the garden that we call spice tea. That's the tea which time always in the morning one to wake up the body. Spice tea. This is which time always. That's curry leaves, huh? Curry patta.
તેજ પત્તા કે ને
ના ઈ તો તાજ એના હોય ને
ના કડી પત્તા તેજ પત્તા
Curry patta.
નો
નહીં ઈ તો જ આના પાન હોય ને જે તજના પાન હોય ને
એ જ હોય
That's the spice tea. That's the tea in the morning tea.
થેન્ક યુ
Slowly walk and
વેરી નાઇસ ટી રોજ
so big, you can see very big plantation. It is 85 acres.
85 એકરનું પ્લાન્ટેશન છે
ઓહો
This is the place the people come. It's not for Europe. Even Sri Lankan people must come because the map of Sri Lanka.
all are planned
It is organic. You see the tree, big tree.
હા ઓહો
Here no train. Train Colombo just here, water down. That's the British never build the train. Here spice and earth. That's the cow.
but they are planted or naturally grown
Naturally grown.
oh
Naturally. That's what the smell. If you plant, you need chemical. So it is, you see, the leaves are compost.
પાછું આવીને બેસી ગયું, કામે લગાડી દીધું તરત. પાછું આવીને બેસી ગયું, કામે લગાડી દીધું.
બબુ જોઈ
હમ. તો વિડીયો ચાલુ. કુદરતની કળા, પથ્થરમાં ડિઝાઇન છે.
That's a cocoa press. We don't have any productions. Because if we like to make a production, we need some chemical, etc. to preserve it. Because we don't know anything. Just the government, dry sun, roasted maple powder to use to bring tension time. People time. Manual. So we like to make some cocoa with cow milk.
Cow milk.
So that's because what? For insomnia.
Insomnia.
The cocoa contain magnesium, selenium, calcium, those three required for the body to relax.
Yeah.
That for the Europeans,
They use stimulant.
they like drinking hot cocoa before go to bed. European see. In Sri Lanka, we don't know how to make insulin tablet, don't we?
Insulin.
So every insulin tablet from we only say India,
Yeah.
Pakistan, UK, mixed to the little country. Not like India, very small. Like
Small
a
country.
Till people we believing what the nature. So that the people like Ayurveda.
Ayurveda.
People say Ayurveda. So that's cocoa which we provide. Relax. When we happy only minute, we can sleep. That's what
this is
Which one, madam? This is not a pepper, madam. It's not like bulat, that means that the people eating. This is not that. These are medicinal plant. I will explain. This is area, madam. Everything is spice. The herbs are just nature, organic.
Credit cards and all. But when you're paying credit cards,
People we use it for what? Sandalwood.
Sandalwood.
You see? Because, come madam, we are remaining in the sun, look it. Why we don't have any problem on our skin? The sun giving the vitamin,
Vitamin D.
D, melanin, albinism, automatic sun giving the nature. If European remain, why they have big problem? Why? They have money available, they don't have such a climate. Winter sun.
Correct.
So if they lost the nature, vitamin big problem, but eczema, psoriasis, neurodermatitis, nail fungal, so many things. That's why they like vitamin D tablet.
We don't eat
So when
vitamin
you
D.
take the tablet, what? It's going inside the reaction, the skin get dry.
Yeah.
So that's what here too much of sun, skin get dry, sun day, skin change the color, but we need to protect. So that's what till here we take aloe vera, jojoba, sandalwood, mix it to use this. Okay? So that's
Sandal.
I'm studying during 7 years, studying serious. Studying means, speaking means, not anything. Yeah, of course. All the time.
this is cocoa. That's a fresh cocoa. This is there no color, madam, but dry, madam, dry skins. Simple, sorry. just drop. What? Sandalwood. When we rub them, only what? The smell. See that? So that's what we need what? Something external to rub, then only you see the smell.
Going to Dambula Cave Temple. તરુબેન ઓરાણી એસ ચાલુ છે. કેન્ડી હોટેલ તળાવના કિનારે એકદમ. રૂમની અંદર
in Ceylon.
Ceylon.
Oh.
Who first in the country? Portuguese, Dutch, and third the British.
British.
Those three remain up to 1948.
48.
Before 1948, of the people called Ceylon.
Ceylon. Then
After
Sri
freedom,
Lanka.
returned to the Sri Lanka. Clearly?
Yes.
So in Portuguese, Dutch, when they stay here, what?
Ceylon.
They everything harvested from Sri Lanka, spices, everything. They send them to Europe because the spice, the main that time to preserve the foods. There was rich nothing that time. And now the people preserve the spices.
Spices.
Understand?
Correct.
So that till here, madam, we like the spice as a medicine. Why? That's the nature.
Correct.
Now Europe, what madam? Every facility is a big problem now. What? Tell me. Arthritis.
Yeah.
And people lost the memory.
Memory
Dementia.
also.
And so what? That's just so they
Alzheimer's.
forget to use the spice and everything fast and processed foods.
Correct.
So that
Fast
till
food.
here we like to drink the tea with the spices.
Yeah.
When you're preparing a food, we use the spices.
Spices.
And the spices are our medicine. That's true. That was cinnamon. Till we use in the morning tea. That's right. To protect diabetic prevalence.
Okay.
And the cinnamon oil with the spices, only the people rub them for what? That is the skin, madam. On the
Sleeping Buddha. Dambulla Cave. Standing Buddha. Green snack.
You also teacher?
I was electronic engineer,
Well, that.
repairing TV videos, and I had worked with.
That is turmeric. You know what? UK, USA confirm you must use that turmeric capsules, hero. People like with the turmeric with milk wine to protect the cancer. Anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, protect heart. So this is normal here. As Asian people, we use every food wine.
Yeah, turmeric we use.
Yeah, that's what. So here the turmeric oil, that's what those are mixed. People here rub the mixture. So that's a plant of turmeric.
So where we have to put this?
And one
PL
cup,
ಇದೆ?
keep it. So you one cup, keep it. I will give some medicine.
Okay.
Not only 2 things. The Euro people like it because they never seen like this. Here only that's why people are coming. When we show them, they will be happy. That's a nutmeg. You know nutmeg?
No.
Jaipur.
Jaipur, yes.
Acha.
This is the king of the spice. This is what? This is the camphor. You can't cook. Nutmeg, great it can cook, but this is can't cook. Why? That's the medicine of Ayurveda. So we take nutmeg, mace with the spices, only boiling Ayurveda balm. It's people call here Om Dr. White. Headache. No aspirin, dispirin, everything rub them externally. Inhale and out through the mouth. That's an Ayurveda balm. This small country, we like spice balm. Okay?
Jaipur.
Yeah,
This is
tree.
tree of
Yeah,
Jaipur?
Yeah. And so here that is
Clove.
Paper.
pepper. It's not a tree,
Oh,
it's a
get it
creeper.
in.
So this is clouse tree, yeah? Clouse.
Loving.
Oh, acha.
See the smell? Fresh, fresh. So those are the medicine. It's so big, eh?
Very tall.
Vanilla. Cinnamon always skin. That's the bark. Skin of the tree. I'll show you. Fresh pepper. Touch it and see that. That's the bark, skin of it.
Hmm.
Okay. What is the big problem? I'm already explaining in Sri Lanka. What is the big problem here? Rheumatism, arthritis. Why? Everything manual work.
Manual.
The mother will get what? Mostly osteoporosis. Why? When age come 46 past, everything stop the engine. That means the menopause estrogen. Then stomach.
Stomach comes.
Will the leg feel heavy always?
Yeah.
So
So,
it's difficult to carry as a human.
yeah.
So what? Between the cartilage, some jet as liquid, small liquid. Depending if the big body, it's difficult. Then click, click,
Click.
it open and water detention, water. Then it gets soft. Then when they go to bed, what as our mother, any mother at midnight, what? Cramp. Why? The blood not pumping
Reaching.
down.
Yeah.
So when they keep long, it will turn to varicose veins.
She has.
And it will go to the most of the problem. To then can sleep at night. Morning what difficult. Wake up to keep. Why? All the heavy got the tendon.
10.
Understand?
Yeah.
Gents what get most of the gout from the
Yeah.
finger, from the so here no injection tablet. The people use. Rub them, balm, Ayurveda balm,
Yeah.
and take the cinnamon oil, turmeric oil, the fresh turmeric, everything boiling with the copper, and making Siddharth oil. That's the oil, people, but to rub them extra, no one need it. When you rub, but stimulates the
Stimulates blood vessels. Yeah.
because Siddhartha oil comes out.
લે છે હું વિડીયો ઓકે બીજા મોટા સ્લીપિંગ બુદ્ધ ઊભા 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 લેવા ફોટા ફોટા ઊભા લેવા પછી આપણે જેમ હોય ને શું કહેવાય આવડી ને ટીપડી
આમ તમ તમ અવાજ આવે.
પેંગ
એમ તો મને ન ગમે આવું જવું, તો ત્રાસ થાય નહીં.
જવું હોય તો જઈએ.
થેન્ક યુ.